To get these free Lightroom presets, you need to download two apps. First app is Filter, free presets for Lightroom. Download and open the app. Find a suitable preset and tap the open button. Tap again and your preset will be added to the Lightroom. You can add more from the list. You can find the latest presets in the Today tab. Now run Lightroom and open the added photo. In the upper right corner, tap the three dot button and choose Create Preset. Give it a name and save it. Next step is Coloro. Here you need to select the preset. Tap on the DNG button, tap it again and import the DNG file into Lightroom. Now open the Lightroom app and do the same process again. You will find over 100 presets in these two apps.